Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing the clip and prepping the timeline because clean input prevents artifacts. Drag the original to V1 and duplicate to V2. You'll work non-destructively. Once done, enable GPU acceleration so effects like Ultra Key render faster. Make sure your sequence matches source resolution and frame rate. Mismatches introduce fringing. If the asset already has alpha, set interpret footage to use alpha channel. Now you're ready to remove the transparent background or isolate it for keying. You'll choose between automatic keying and manual masking depending on the clip. If you have a green/blue screen, apply Ultra Key and pick the background color with the eyedropper. Then finesse matte generation and shadow/highlight until the subject edges are clean. For non-uniform backgrounds, add an opacity mask on the clip and animate the mask path to follow motion. Once done, use matte cleanup controls, choke, soften, and spill suppression to remove color bleed so the subject composites naturally. You finish by exporting a transparent file and verifying it preserves the alpha channel. For best results, choose QuickTime with ProRes 4444 or animation codec and set depth to include alpha 32-bit. After export, place the file over a test background to confirm transparency and edge fidelity. If you see halos or dark fringing, toggle premultiplied versus straight alpha interpretation when exporting or in your compositing app. Re-render using the opposite option.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.